Hey guys, in today's video I'd like to show you 3 great ideas about what you can make from old unwanted plastic bottles. In general, we will find such an unusual non-standard application for them and give them a second chance at life. Let's get to work. So for the first idea we will need a box cutter, a 5mm drill bit, a balloon, a half-liter plastic bottle, 1 straw, a screwdriver drill, and a 35mm drilling bit. First of all, we make holes in the bottom of a plastic bottle with the help of the drilling bit. Now, with the help of a box cutter, we cut off the upper and lower parts. Now we drill holes on the side at the bottom. There's 2 neat blanks turned out. Now we cut off the ring and put the bottom on the neck. Carefully glue the entire perimeter of the neck with hot glue, and also do not forget to glue the straw. We cut off a piece of the balloon, pull it and glue it. As a result, we have a small, compact but very powerful air horn. For the second idea, we also need a screwdriver or drill, a 5mm drill bit, a screwdriver, a 35mm drilling bit, and a half-liter plastic bottle. To begin with, just below the middle of the plastic bottle, we make 2 through holes with a screwdriver and a 5mm drill bit. We change the drill bits and make a hole only on one of the sides. So the simplest homemade from the plastic bottle is ready. So let's test it and at the same time tell and show where and how it can be used. I think many of you have encountered a problem, especially before the heating season, when you try to drain the water or drain the air from the radiator. The water splashes in all directions, and it is insanely unpleasant when the water is black with rust and the walls are white. In order to prevent this from happening, this homemade product was invented. The plastic bottle fits easily on the radiator. We push a screwdriver through it and unscrew or tighten the drain screw. If you drain only the air in this way and the water accumulates in the bottle a little, then you can take it to the sink together with the bottle and drain it. But if you decide to drain the water from the radiator and the bottle quickly overflows, then use it as a funnel. Unscrew the cap from the plastic bottle, put the hose on the neck, and place the other end of the hose on the hip, or just a little lower, you can put some container. Well, the third idea is more likely to be not a self-made idea, but a call to action. Guys, if you still have these plastic bottles, jars that have dispensers, don't throw them away because you can extract very useful parts from them. As for example, in each dispenser, as you might have guessed, there are springs, but often we somehow, without thinking, throw them away, and then when we need some small spring, we look for it at flea flea markets or some stores. At first glance, such a minor detail may seem useless, but no one knows what lies ahead, so be sure to remove all the springs from the dispensers, store them somewhere in a box, because someday they will be useful in the repair of some equipment, or perhaps it is one of these springs that will give life to your homemade craft. Have a nice day, bye-bye.